The verb organise is a very commonly used verb in business, events, projects, and daily work. To organise means to 1. Plan, arrange, or put things in order. 2. Prepare people, tasks, or resources so something runs smoothly. Organise can be spelt in 2 different ways. In British English, organise is spelt with an S. In US English, it is spelt with a Z or a Z, and it is a regular verb. The present tense is organise, past tense is organised, and the past participle is organised. Throughout this video, we're going to use the British spelling of organise with an S, but it can also be spelled with a Z or a Z. Common uses of this verb include 1. To organise a meeting. 2. Organise a project. 3. Organise tasks or schedules. 4. Organise an event. 5. Organise information. First, we're going to look at the present forms of the verb organise. The present simple of the verb organise is used for habits, routines, roles, and general facts. 2 example sentences include: I organise team meetings every week. She organises her workload carefully. Past continuous of the verb organise is used for actions happening now or temporary situations. The structure for this is subject plus am or is or are plus the verb ending in ing. Example sentences include: I am organising the conference this month. He is organising files while the system is being updated. The present perfect of the verb organise is used for actions completed in the past that are relevant now. The structure for the present perfect is subject plus have or has plus the past participle. Example sentences include: I have organised the agenda already. She has organised all the documents. The present perfect continuous of the verb organise is used for showing how long an action has been happening up to now. The structure for this is subject plus have or has plus been plus verb with ing. Example sentences include: I have been organising the event for 2 weeks. She has been organising the project since January. Next, we will look at the past forms of the verb organise. The past simple is used for finished actions at a specific time in the past. The structure for the past simple of the verb organise is subject plus the past verb, which is organised. Example sentences include: I organised the workshop last month. She organised the schedule yesterday. Past continuous of the verb organise is used for actions that were in progress at a past moment. The structure for the past continuous of the verb organise is subject plus was or were plus the verb with ing. Example sentences include: I was organising the meeting when the client called. She was organising tasks while the manager was away. Next, we look at the past perfect, and it's used for actions completed before another past action. Its structure is subject plus had plus past participle. Example sentences include: I had organised everything before the meeting started. She had organised the files before the audit. Past perfect continuous of the verb organise is used for showing how long an action had been happening before a past point. The structure for this is subject plus had plus been plus verb ending in ing, which is organising. Example sentences include: I had been organising the event for months before it took place. She had been organising the project long before the deadline. Finally, we will look at future forms of the verb organise. Firstly, we will look at the future simple, which uses will, and it's used for decisions made at the moment, promises, or predictions. The structure for this is subject plus will plus the base verb. Example sentences include: I will organise the next meeting. She will organise the process more efficiently. We use the future continuous of the verb organise for actions that will be in progress at a future time. The structure for this is subject plus will plus be plus verb ending in ing. Example sentences include: I will be organising the training next week. She will be organising the schedules during the transition. Next up is the future perfect of the verb organise, which is used for actions that will be completed before a specific future time. The structure for this is subject plus will plus have plus past participle. The past participle is organised, and example sentences include: I will have organised everything by Friday. She will have organised the launch by then. Next up is the future perfect continuous of the verb organise, and it's used showing how long an action will have continued up to a future point. The structure is subject plus will plus have plus been plus the verb ending in ing, which is organising. Example sentences include: I will have been organising events for 10 years by next month. She will have been organising projects for 2 years in June. Going to is the final future form we will look at, and it's used for planned intentions. Its structure is subject plus am, is, or are, plus going to, plus the base verb organise. Example sentences include: I am going to organise the onboarding session. She is going to organise the team more effectively. The following is a conversation between Alex and Emma, in which they use each of the tenses for the verb organise that we have looked at in this video.
I organize team meetings every week.
Right now, you're organizing the annual conference.
Yes, I have organized most of the agenda already.
And you have been organizing the project since January.
Last year, I organized a major product launch.
I remember. You were organizing tasks when the client called.
That's right. I had organized everything before the meeting.
And you had been organizing the event for months by then.
Next quarter, I will organize the new workflow.
During that time, you will be organizing training sessions.
By the end of the month, I will have organized all resources.
And by then, you will have been organizing projects for over 10 years.
I'm also going to organize the onboarding program.
Here's a useful table which includes all of the tenses of the verb organise. The table includes the tense, its meaning, and an example sentence. Take some time to look at this table, and if you like, pause the video so that you can get a better idea of what is included in the table. Finally, thank you for watching this video. I hope you found it useful, and as always, keep learning.